Hello everyone, Mego Ivazian here. Today, we're gonna bring to you the latest innovative curling iron in the world.
Chi Lava Ultra Curl, featuring 5 times color lock protection, red light technology for up to 39% more shine, and an ion generator that minimizes frizz, plus a 7-inch extended barrel.
Now it's time to create an amazing look, like evening look, with using all our Lava Ultra Curl tools.
Start with the Chi Lava Pro Blow Dryer and Chi Lava 2-inch round brush to create a smooth, polished foundation. Apply mousse at the roots, finger comb through the ends, then refine with the Chi Lava paddle brush. For lift and volume, use the Chi Lava vent brush with the blow dryer, elevating the roots. Create a deep side part and clip the top section to set that classic Hollywood wave. Add texture with Royal Treatment Texture Spray. Then curl horizontal sections using the Chi Lava Ultra Curl 1.5 inch, clipping each curl to cool for long-lasting shape. Once cooled, release the clips, back comb lightly at the roots, and set volume using the Chi Lava vent brush and blow dryer. Finish by softening the ends with the paddle brush and locking in the look with Royal Treatment Ultimate Control Spray and Volume Spray.